Hello, welcome to today's episode. I'm still your brother and your friend, Stephen Chinemelum. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, and comment. Thank you. So today I'm going to be talking about character and gifting. You see, we are this generation that ignore the place of building character in pursuit for giftings. We clap for the anointing. We applaud charisma when we see manifestations of giftings. We admire it and we are trooping in and trooping out. But when it comes to integrity, when it comes to respect, when it comes to building character, we are nowhere to be found. And for that reason, when you associate with a young believer in this our generation, we find out that apart from gifting, apart from the anointing, they lack in character. And you know, this quote goes that the gift of a man maketh way for him. That's true. Gifting opens door, but whether the door will remain open is determined by your character. How you act towards people when the mic is off, when you are no longer on stage, when people can't see you, who you are, how you treat people, how you talk to people, how you accord respect to people. It matters more than the display of gifting. You see, God, there is this way God works. God can decide to use a gifted person, but when it comes to trusting men with kingdom valuables, he chooses men of character, men of good reports. He trusts them, he honors them. This pursuit of gifting in our generation, that has been the reason why many young believers rise quickly and fall suddenly, because their gifting outran their growth. They enter so many places by gifting, but they fail to secure it by character. Gifting can bring you into a high place. Gifting can bring you among kings, but character is what sustains your relationship with kings. Character gives you honors amongst great men. You see, when you are celebrated and applauded, character is what keeps you humble and grounded. Even when you are criticized, character is what keeps you stable and standing. You see, go for the best gifts, so desire the best gifts, but don't forget to build a hedge of character around your giftings. We are going to stop here for today. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and comment. Thank you.